Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to optimize your Upwork profile. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Upwork is a website where people find freelancers to do jobs for them. If you're good at something, writing, designing, or coding, you can offer your skills and find work here. Upwork is like a marketplace for jobs and skills. There are many freelancers in here. However, there's a limited number of jobs posted compared to the number of freelancers that are looking for work. Because everyone wants to get work and earn money, they compete for the available jobs. They try to make their pitch or proposal appealing to clients, often by showcasing their skills, experiences, and profile. That is why making your Upwork profile is really important. It's like making a great first impression. When your profile looks good and has all the right information, people who want to hire freelancers that are more like people who want to hire freelancers are more likely to choose you. It shows that you're serious about your work and that you're good at what you do. So take the time to make your profile look nice, share your skills and experience, and use the words that clients are looking for. So this will help you stand out, get more attention from potential clients, and have better chance of getting hired. Now let's start off onto logging in into your profile. So you'll just need to log into the website so that we could go ahead and optimize your profile. So since it is still verifying, we'll just need to wait so that once it is done, we'll be headed to the dashboard. And once you're in the dashboard, you'll just need to click onto this upper part in here, which is find work, and then you'll need to click onto profile. So once you're already onto the profile section, you'll just need to find in the option to update your profile photo. So since we are in here already, we'll just need to click onto this part in here. So this is beside your name, and you don't need a professional photo shoot. You could just take a simple, well-lit photo, and then no need for editing or glamour shots. In fact, a snapshot taken by your 4-year-old might work just fine. So the key is to look approachable and professional in your profile photo. So you have the option also in here to zoom in and zoom out the photo that you've chosen. And then you can click onto the link available in here so that you'll have more guide onto the sample profiles and the best practices in putting in a profile photo on your profile. So you can review the informations in there just to be sure that you have added the right one and the best one so that clients will notice you more. It is really helpful because it's like making a good first impression. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time and you want to look friendly and trustworthy. That's what your profile photo does on Upwork. So when clients see a friendly and a professional photo of you, they feel more comfortable and confident to hire you. It shows that you're a real person and it makes them more likely to trust you with their project. So just like dressing nicely for a job interview, a nice profile photo gives you a great start on Upwork. Now let's head into this part in here. This is your title. So having this is also super important. It is like a short and simple introduction of yourself right at the top of your profile. Imagine if someone wants to know what you're really good at and they see a clear and catchy title. That helps them understand your skills quickly. For example, if you're a video editor, so in your title, tell everyone about your skill. Clients on Upwork see lots of profile, so a great title can make you stand out and grab their attention. So just remember, keep it honest and specific to what you do. That way, clients can find you easily and you're on your way to getting more jobs. So just click save once you're done. And right after, let's head on to crafting your overview. So you'll just need to click onto in here. So this overview is like your own mini advertisement. It's a chance to tell everyone that you're awesome and why they should pick you for their projects. Simple words and honesty are the key. If you're a super organized virtual assistant or a top notch web developer, your overview helps clients see that. So you can share your passion, your experience, and what makes you special. So when clients read a great overview, they get to know you better and feel confident to hire you. So take your time, write it from your heart, and show off your skill. Your overview does a lot of the talking for you. Now let's talk about video introduction. So if you want to add one, just click onto that. You have the option in there to link your YouTube video and to add in what type of video is this. So having a video introduction is just optional, but this will really help you optimize your Upwork profile. It is like introducing yourself to the clients in person, but through the internet. So it's simple and friendly. It shows your face, your voice, and your personality. You can explain what you're all about, what skills you have, and why you're the right pick for the job. Clients can see how enthusiastic you are and how much you care. It's like making a new friend, building trust and confidence. So grab your phone, shoot a simple video when you're just being yourself, and let your future clients know that you're not just the words on a screen, but a real person ready to do great things. Then once you're done, just hit on to save. Now scrolling down further onto your profile, we'll see portfolio. And then just click add a portfolio. Having a portfolio on Upwork can be incredibly helpful. A portfolio is like a collection of your best work examples that show what you can do. It's like taking pictures of things you've made or done so you can show others. On Upwork, clients want to see what kind of work you can do before they hire you. So when you have a portfolio, you can show them things you've worked on before. It makes you look talented and trustworthy. Imagine if you're looking to buy a toy and you see pictures of how awesome it looks. That's what your portfolio does for your work. It's a great way to prove you're really good at what you do. So you'll just need to follow this step of adding a project title, a related Upwork job, and a completion date, and then you could go ahead and select a template for this. So you have three options, the gallery, case study, and classic. So choose one that you prefer and then go add details. So you can add in here the YouTube or video link onto your portfolio, or you could add in some skills as well in here. And onto the bottom part, you can add in a project URL and a project description, and you can go ahead and do a preview for this. And here's another thing that would be a great help into optimizing your profile. So you'll just need to scroll down a little bit further and you'll see certifications in there. So you have the option here to add manually or import from Credly. So having a certification in Upwork can be super helpful. It's like showing a gold star on your profile. So just like portfolio that showcases your past work, a certification proves you've got special skills in certain areas. Clients see it and know you're not just saying you're good because you've got proof. It makes you more trustworthy. So if you're thinking about getting certified, go for it, and it's another way to stand out and land jobs. So once you've seen your certification, just click onto it and then click add certification. And if you've already done some jobs also before, you can add in your employment history or other experiences on Upwork. Think of it like expanding on your portfolio. Just like when you show your past work, this experiences tells your clients more about you. So they can see what you've done before, how skilled you are, and how reliable you might be. It's like showing proof of what you can bring to the table. So if you've got past jobs or experiences, don't hesitate to put them on your Upwork profile because it's another way to make clients say wow and choose you for their next project. So, optimizing your Upwork profile involves several case steps to make your online presence shine. So, just a quick overview on what we've done. We've begun with a welcoming profile photo that gives client a glimpse of your professionalism. Your title should be a clear and concise introduction capturing your expertise. You can also craft an engaging overview that highlights your skill and what you can offer. A video introduction that adds a personal touch, allowing clients to connect with your personality and building a portfolio to exhibit your work and demonstrating your capabilities. Moreover, certifications and employment history provide value credibility. So each element combines to form a compelling profile that attracts clients and showcases your suitability for their projects. So keep in mind onto all of those things that we've discussed. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. And until then, happy freelancing!